Ever find a great article online and wish that you could quickly change it into a Kami interactive activity? You can with the Open in Kami feature in Kami Companion. Let's take a look at how it works. With the Open in Kami button, you can take any web page and turn it into an interactive Kami activity. From your browser, select the Kami extension and then select Show Companion. With the Open in Kami button, all you have to do is click it. This window with directions will open. I'm going to click Let's Go. And then from my print screen, I'm going to make sure that the destination is Kami for Google Chrome. And then I'll select Print. The new tab will open with that page turned into a document that can be interactive. Students can come in and use all of the Kami tools like the text box, adding media, and adding comments to make the learning go further.